In this video, we will learn how we can easily create a flyer quickly using Adobe Express. Okay, so you can directly search flyers here by selecting templates from here, or you can go below after logging to your Express, Adobe Express. When you'll go below, popular templates would be visible. You can select flyers from here, okay, directly, and you can click any of them. Let's say I'll click here. Okay, so it directly created this. This is for free because there is no logo sign premium visible. Okay, so I'll directly do changes here. How, let's say I'll go for the Lodi festival since I'm from India. So I'll change it to Lodi because I'm from India. So there is a festival. I'll just delete it by just right clicking and deleting it. Okay, now the date, I just clicked on it using the mouse and I'll just type 13, or yes, this is fine, January. So Lodi is celebrated on 13 January every year. I'll just select it and drag it. Now it is center aligned. Okay, now it is center aligned. Now live music, which is fine. Festive food, which is fine. I'll just change it to dance. Okay, so celebration starts at it's in the evening. So I'll just change it to 19 that is 7 p.m. and I'll just delete this. This is not required. I'll just select and right click delete. That's it. I'll just select it again. Okay, right click and delete. I don't need this. I'll change the title, Lodi celebration, so that I'll keep the record. Now this festival is related to fire. Okay, it's fire. So what I'll do, I'll just go to media and search for images fire. Press enter. I'll use this, or I can directly search for Lodi, but I'll use this. Let's say okay, I'm just showing a random example. I just dragged it using the mouse and that's it. Here it is. I can remove this. I'll just right click and remove this. Okay, now it looks fine. Okay, now I can just download this in PNG format. I'll click download, starting download. Here it is. Now I'll just right click and show in folder. Here it is. Now here it is. Now I'll just open it, double click. Here it is. You can see I just did the changes. I just added the name, live music, festive food dance. That's it. I can share it with anyone else. You can check the size also. I just created a basic flyer. So you can also take a printout of it. Okay. Here and you can see there is something which is visible. I'll just delete it using the delete key, or you can add it. I am just giving an example. You can use other images also for your festival, or you can easily create a flyer from it. Simple. So guys, in this video we saw how we can create a flyer quickly using a template in Adobe Express. Thank you for watching the video.